If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To define a custom shape in Photoshop as a live shape, which lets you save a custom path or custom shape in the custom shape presets in Photoshop, so you can easily recreate it in other documents later and easily resize it. First, create a custom path in the Paths panel or a custom shape within a shape layer in the Layers panel. Then select the path or shape layer so it appears selected in the document window in Photoshop. Then right-click the selected path or shape in the document window to show a pop-up menu of commands. Then select the Define Custom Shape command in the pop-up contextual menu to open the Define Custom Shape dialog box. Alternatively, select Edit Define Custom Shape from the menu bar to open the same dialog box. The Define Custom Shape dialog box shows a thumbnail icon of the shape at its left side. Type a name for the custom shape into the name field to the right. Then click the OK button in the dialog box to save the new custom shape. You can then access the custom shape from the Custom Shape Picker panel when using the Custom Shape tool. You can also access it when using the Shapes panel. To open the Shapes panel if needed, select Window, Shapes from the menu bar. To delete a custom shape you created, right-click the custom shape in either the Shapes panel or within the Custom Shape Picker. Then select the Delete Shape command from the pop-up contextual menu. Then click the OK button in the deletion confirmation dialog box that appears to finish and delete the shape. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel the deletion. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.